Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? Today we're going to do a quick post review completion, and then we're going to put the information on the logbook, which is this one. I'd rather be diamond painting, and then place it on the portfolio or in the portfolio. Okay, so this painting is from DIY Choose. They sent it to me to review it and a while back, and I believe it was $4.49. I did go back to see and I couldn't find it, so I'm not sure if it's still available, but it's called Fresh Flowers on Bench. And it is a 30 by 40, but if you, the true size, if you look at the drill field, it's 25 by 35, okay? What else? Like I mentioned before, that it has 19 colors. I did add washi tape around it because it's very sticky around it. And when you're trying to work on it, your hands just basically get stuck, and then you lift the painting up. And of course, I don't like that. I make a mess. So I just like the washi tape around it. The glue on this was sticky, which was okay. The symbols were very clear. I love that. The drill quality was fine, which I liked because that way you don't have that problem with popping drills. They were flat on the back, no dimples. And the drill quantity, plenty of leftovers. I actually just put them in here for now so you can see them, because this is see-through. So you can see I've got plenty of drills. Okay. I really enjoyed it. I really like it a lot. I just don't understand why it's called a bench, but it's actually a chair. So it's got these beautiful flowers in a bag. I like the black around the chair because it sort of brings out the painting. Okay, so let's put the information down. All right, so we're gonna need a pen. So like I mentioned before, I started December 10th. I'm gonna have to move this over here. And I finished yesterday, December 26th. For me, that's quick, guys. I do single place, and I guess that's what takes me forever. Okay, so we said that the canvas size is 30 by 40. The canvas meaning all around it, everything around it. 30 by 40 centimeter. And then the picture, which is the drill field, we said it was 25 by 35 centimeter. It's a round drill. It's from DIY Choose, $4.49. I put it, it's a beginner. I'm going to keep it for myself because I'm going to put this in my portfolio. So I wrote down it's got 19 colors. The canvas glue, we said that it was sticky. Okay. The symbol clarity was perfect. The drill quality was perfect too. And the quantity, lots of leftovers. Lots of leftovers. Okay, and then you put a picture here, and then of course I'm going to rate this. So I'm going to rate it. I'm going to give it a little, actually I do have my colored pencil here. I forgot about that, guys. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to give it a 5, guys. Because I had no problems with this painting at all. And it's very pretty. So it's going to be a 5.0. Okay. All right. So let's move that aside. So we already finished with the logbook. Now what we're going to do is I am not going to seal it because I mentioned before there were no problems with it. Okay. So let's get the pair of scissors. Actually, maybe we should try to remove the washi tape. Because last time I did that and then it was hard, but I guess if you do it slow so it doesn't rip. So I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas with your family and friends. I did. We went to my sister's house and we spent it all together. Well, with the family that lives here in Texas. Because we do have a big family. All over Florida, New York, Connecticut. So just the ones from here. Oop, you see what I mean? I did it again. And this tape, this washi tape, guys, was the one that I bought from Amazon. I think it's the Scotch one. I believe this is the one. Oh, and there we go again. Let's see if I can peel it off. Yep. Perfect. Okay. So now we're going to, I believe last time I told you guys, if you're going to seal it, don't cut this out. Seal it first and then cut this out, because it's hard to hold, to seal when you have nothing to hold it. So I'm just going to cut it around. It always takes me a while to work on these paintings, because I try to work on a big one and a small one, and that's what I'm doing right now, guys. I'm actually working on Talisman, and I just finished working on this one, so I just have to pick another small one now. And try not to cut your fingers, because I've cut myself. The other day I was using the smaller scissors, and I actually cut myself, and there was some bleeding involved, but I survived. Okay, and it's been cold here in Texas, guys. When it gets cold like that, it's like I don't want to leave the house. I like the warm weather. So my brother and my nephew are coming over tomorrow, and they're gonna stay for a couple of days. We're gonna celebrate New Year's Eve here. Oop, that was too close to the drills. And we're gonna cook. I'm trying to convince my husband to make some lasagna. He makes absolutely delicious lasagna. I'm trying to cut this as fast as I can. Okay, and then I used, there you go, guys. And then I used black construction paper. I believe it's a 12 by 18, and I cut it 11 3/4 by 16 1/4. So you get it, and I already inserted in the portfolio. I absolutely love this portfolio. It's my book number 1. When I finish it, then I'll move to book number 2. So let's see. I already put the paper in here, and I already cut it. So that way we can go a little faster. And since we don't have to seal it, it'll go faster. Because when you seal it, you have to wait a while. Okay, so we're gonna put it here like that. And if you want to add washi tape around it to decorate it, you can. Okay, so we're gonna need double-sided tape. And so let me tape this, and I'll be back. Okay, so I already put the tape, the double-sided adhesive, and I'm just gonna try to peel this last one. Okay, make sure the paper is nice and straight. So let's put it here. Okay. And this is where I have to stand. I could see better. Oh, mamma mia. I don't even know if I'm doing this straight, guys. I think that's good. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Okay, I think that's good. All right, looks beautiful, doesn't it? I love it. I'm probably gonna just add black washi tape to bring out the black around the chair. And then of course, we're gonna need an index card up here, and we're gonna cut that. So let's measure this. We need the pencil. What did I do with the pencil? It's gonna be here and here. So we're gonna cut it right there. Let's get my big scissors. Make sure we don't cut my fingers off. Okay. And then you're going to tape this here. Let's get more of this double adhesive, which reminds me I need to get some more. It's almost finished. I love this tape, guys. It's very strong. This one you can actually get on Amazon, or I actually get this on the scrapbooking store that I go to nearby. If I can get this up. Okay. There you go. Make sure this is nice and straight. Right. I think that's good. I think that's the middle. Okay. And now the name of the painting is called Fresh Flowers. It's got beautiful flowers on bench. I'm going to put a line. Okay. And let's see, let me get my portfolio because I cannot remember. Let's see what I put in here in the index card. Okay, so we put this, the start date and the end date. All right, so date started. And I started this December 10th, 2022. Date completed, which was yesterday, December 26, 2022. Okay, and then the picture size. And it's actually, we said 25 centimeters by 35 centimeters. Okay, and it's from DIY Choose. I believe it was $4.49. And it's got 19 colors. And what did we rate it? We rated it 5.0 stars. Okay, now I'm going to put it in my portfolio. Come on, baby, go in there. And that's it, guys. There you go. All right, so that's about it. Thank you very much and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye.